Hi everyone, I want to show you about our new way of booking in for role plays. Here is a copy of the NMAS Members course. So anyone who's a member, which might be a full member or a student member, has access to this course. Make sure you log in if you haven't come here. So you'll see over on the main menu, so that's your dashboard, your courses, the groups that you've signed up to, and you can go to the groups. So the reason we've got groups is that they're areas where you can actually create content, share content. It's a way to collaborate that's not on Facebook, that's much more private and secure than Facebook. So I really encourage members to make use of this. You've got an amazing network of peers in the industry. You do have opportunities to collaborate. However, what I've done this little video to show you is about the calendar. You may not be aware, but you have your own calendar that you can create private events and things like that, reminders and to-dos. If you need a little bit of motivation to get through your course, you could set up your own to-dos, so you've got reminders of when you need to finish coursework or things like that. Because the course is self-paced, we're not going to do that for you. You have the choice of how quickly or slowly you go through the course. Onto calendar and then scheduler. So here you'll see these are the role play opportunities that are in the NMAS course. Ken's times are Tuesday at the moment with daylight savings, either 3 p.m, 4 p.m, or 1 p.m. if you're in WA. To book in for one of Ken's role plays, you click on this light blue writing. I'm in Melbourne. So it's showing me my time zone. So this is always going to show you where your computer thinks you are. There's 2 more spots available. If I click on that, I can see that Andrew's already in as a role player, Brad's already in as a role player. So there's an opportunity for you as a mediator if you're in the NMAS course, and what you would do. And there's also an opportunity as an observer. If you're going to be the mediator, what you need to do in the comments is put down mediator. So let's just say mediator, and I'm going to do neighbour 1 or neighbour 2 as my role play. And I've said reserve. Now it's thinking again. So see how now it's showing reserved for me? So that means I've booked in for that role play. It's now on my calendar, reserved by you. Okay, and I can click up there and I can see my comments. If you reserve something and you take your name out, you need to let the mentor know. We've been having some situations where people are signing up for role plays and then just removing their names without letting anyone know. That's a real problem. You're letting down everyone who's expecting a role play to occur. We know that sometimes it's not possible, something comes up. Please give as much notice as you can and email the mentor to let them know. So the inbox is the easiest way to do that. So let's recap. Go to calendar, scheduler. That'll show the role play opportunities. You can either click on, you can sign up for this, and once it's done its little loading, it'll have the opportunities that are available, and you'll see we've got some of the legacy ones, and then Cynthia's going to Wednesday and Thursday at 11 in my time in Melbourne. If you for some reason have signed up and then you can't attend, please email the mentor. You click on the inbox, click on the compose a new message, click on select course. So it's going to be either the MI members or the NMAS course. Find the mentor's name and send them a sorry, I have to withdraw from the role play message. Okay, if you've set your settings up to get notifications. It should send you reminders. So check your notifications, student appointment sign-ups. So if you've got that ticked, so maybe just tick those either immediately. The little clock means a daily summary. The calendar sends a weekly summary, and don't send anything. So it's a good idea to have at least getting a weekly summary, and that way you'll just get a little automatic email with some links to let you know what's going on. And while you're at it, make sure you add a photo. So you can take a picture from your webcam. If you're using Gravatar, you can add that, or just upload a photo so that we can be a little bit more personal. Why not go to the course now and book in some role plays? Okay, see you soon.